Welcome to the in front of me NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first we should go into the settings application and then click here on the always on display section. Here you can click on the settings icon. Here we can set the start and end time of AOD feature. Also we can switch here the show duration from 5 minutes to 60. Also we can here change the brightness level by this way. Here we can also to activate or to turn off to pick up phone to show the AOD feature, to automatically turn off always on display feature when your battery level will below the 10%, and to add the desktop shortcut. So you will add the icon to your device desktop here with always on display application. Also, if we'll go back, we can here change the theme of the AOD. So you can see that here we have a lot of different just stickers and wallpapers. Also we can just we can switch the theme, or we can also create the custom AOD theme here, for example, to add our own video or image or text, or just for example the wallpaper downloaded from the internet or GIF. So we can just switch it. I'll just do it this way, then just click here to apply. Now you can see that this theme was applied successfully, and now as can you see by this way we can customize our always on display feature on this device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.